Welcome to another episode of real-time fishing. Having a look here, just seeing if I'm able to access this point. So let's see if my yacht will fit here. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, I'll see you down there on the water. The main road is only 10 meters behind us, but look how calm it is. Alright, let's get out there. Okay, so this is where I'll be launching from. I think I'll go not off the ramp, I'll just go off here to the gravel. Am I going to get in your way, mate? Oh, really? Oh, cool. Okay. I'll go that way, so. Oh, the fish are that way though. Okay. See you later. Okay, so as you can see the sunset, or sunrise. So normally I launch back there, but as you can see I've saved myself a heap of travel time, which is awesome. Conditions are just gorgeous today, and let's see how we go. So this is a marine sanctuary, so I've got to travel out past these poles. As you can see, there's markers there that look like there's an X on top, and there's another one there. So although I've started a bit later on, I think I'll be fine today because I've saved myself probably about half an hour of paddling. Conditions are beautiful, so we'll see how we go. I forgot my squid jig. I was going to try going for squid a bit later on, but that's okay. Let's see what we get today. Alright guys, so I'm just going to put a bit of Pro-Q on this thing. I'm going to put a bit less. My other video I was slathering it on is, I'm not sure, maybe this is a bit less now, not enough. Okay, and I'll just ready to go, and I'm done. Okay, let's see how we go. Tighten the drag. Let's see if we get any bites. got a bite there. Oh, something's going for it. So guys, it's been a pretty quiet morning. I've only been out for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So we'll see how we go. Still pretty early, but it's just been a beautiful morning, as you can see. I mean, look at, I'll just give you a view. Sun's still coming up, and calm conditions. The current is taking me out to sea at the moment, but that's okay. Gives me a bit of exercise to stay in position if I do find that school. But wow, what a day. And a lot of times the temperature says, you know, 2-3 degrees, but once you're out here and you're paddling, you don't really feel it that much. I guess that's the advantage of kayaking. You get a bit of physical activity going, which is what we need during this time with Corona, the virus and all that. But we'll try not to talk about that. We hear enough of it on the news. Usually use a marker, maybe a boat that's anchored like that one in front of me, or if you're close to a post, or if you can see the shore, you know, mark it by something, just so you're not drifting too far away from where the action is. Last pause, I'll give him 3, 2, 1. Yes, got him. Yeah, he's pulling okay, but I think he's not too big. Let's see how we go. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay, I'm trying to practice holding this fish, guys. So let's get this hook out of him. Okay, here's a touch on that. That's yeah, cool. He's all over the place. Come on, man. Why are you causing me heartache? Okay. First catch of the day, guys. Not bad. Okay, let's see how we go. Something on, guys. He feels heavy. Oh, this is the guy I was looking for. Oh, here's a decent one. Guys, I know this is not that big, but I would say for snapper, first time or pretty new to this, that's my PB, personal best. Pretty happy right now. Pretty happy. Okay, come on, guy. Okay. Got him. got him right in the jaw there. Nice hook up, and he looks good. He looks good. Okay guys, pretty happy with this guy. That's right on 28. Ooh. Okay, good, I've got ice in the back there. Oh, ice him down. Okay, cool. Clean the hands and go for another one. Hopefully I can get a few of those. About 3 of those are enough for me and my wife. If I can get 3 or 4, I would be stoked. Well guys, that ends another session. My GoPro camera died about 2 hours in, so I'll have to get another battery, sorry. But I had a good session. I caught about 4 pinkies. I'll show you when I get to the shore. So guys, as promised, here is the catch for today. So the smallest one being just on 28 centimeters, which is a not bad catch. All right. Yeah. Good. Yeah, they're not bad. The smallest one is just legal, so yeah, it worked out all right. Interrupted there. Not a fan, just someone in my area. So yeah, that ends the session. It was a good morning out. Keep fishing, enjoy, try to get out as much as you can. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share, like if you're able. That'll help the channel out. And thanks again for watching Real Time Fishing.